Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2019 at a past Photo Managers Conference, the first year I began interviewing my colleagues. Although the year has passed, the insights shared remain valuable to anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy. Hi, here at the APO conference with 200 of my colleagues, and this is Kim with Pixelwinx. She's also from Ohio, in the Columbus area. And Kim, you've actually worked with businesses.
We have worked with the local ice cream business from our town. We help them scan their photo history from the beginning, because they started in 1950. And so we scanned all of their photos from their wall, their photo history wall in their original store. And then once we did that, they opened up a couple more stores in Columbus. And so what they had us do was they had us create a history wall.
Okay.
And so the history wall started in one area of town, and then when they opened up their second one, they came to us again and they said, hey, we want to do another history wall. And so we went to the same local framer and we got the prints made, and everything was, the same, which we wanted to keep it in the same family. And then we're in March, they opened up a shop in Chicago, and they were like, hey, we're opening up a Chicago shop. Can you do the history wall? Absolutely. So we started some more. They have Chicago history now, so we put in, their newspaper articles from Chicago into the history wall, and it was just really, really lovely. And the great thing is that I'll be going up in June with my daughter for a graduation present, and we're gonna go get to see the wall.
Oh, neat.
See the wall, and we had some framers up in Chicago help do with that as well. And so when they get another store and they open. We'll be doing that as well, so it's been fun.
Yeah, so it's not just the photos, but the memorabilia.
Absolutely, and we are telling their story. They are they are on their story, because it's 4 generations.
Wow, that's great.
So it's lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So not just personal, but also business.
Yeah.
Thanks.